In traditional jobs and jobs where one is working with children, it's expected that a background check will be run. However, we are seeing an increasing trend where more employers and states are requesting criminal background checks. For example, the Sun Journal newspaper in Maine reports that Mechanic Falls is now requiring all volunteers to undergo a background check after a recent arrest of a now former member of the town's recreation committee. Additionally, the state of North Carolina is now enforcing a law they adopted that requires movers in the state to conduct criminal background checks in order to have a state license. The North Carolina Utilities Commission adopted the rule to protect the public from shady haulers. Criminal background checks are becoming increasingly more important for three main reasons. We're seeing an increase in criminal background checks because more and more employers and individuals realize that they can prevent crimes by running a background check. Additionally, by law, employers are required to do their due diligence when hiring employees. Due diligence is defined as exercising reasonable care for the safety of others. When an employer fails to do so and an employee causes harm, the employer can be sued for negligent hiring. It is easier for an employer to screen beforehand to avoid the huge liability of a potentially harmful employee. Additionally, for individuals, it's important to make sure that the contractors and workers that you invite into your home don't have a criminal past. Employers realize that employees can potentially be a huge liability. In the case of UBS, not conducting a criminal background check on an employee caused them millions of dollars. In 2002, one of their employees, Roger Duranio, launched a logic bomb in UBS's computer systems that crashed 2,000 of the company's servers and left 17,000 brokers unable to make trades. If UBS had conducted a criminal background check on Duranio, they would have realized that he had a criminal record that included criminal charges of aggravated assault. Lastly, another reason criminal background checks are important is to check the validity of licenses and certifications that may be appropriate for certain jobs. Employers need to make sure that they are current, and they need to be sure that they haven't lapsed or been revoked. If you're hiring new employees or just need to run a criminal background check, let us help. IntegraScan has conducted criminal background checks for thousands of employers. Detailed, reliable, and cost-effective, we are IntegraScan, the industry leader in criminal background checks.